everyone, welcome back to my channel, and those who are watching my video for the first time, if you're interested in vlogs, fashion, beauty, styles and clicking pictures, then you must subscribe to this channel because here you will get all that amazing stuff. So today what I'm going to teach you people or share with you is how to style the most important thing of my life, that is headbands. Though I'm so much obsessed with these headbands. The reason behind so obsessed is that they're super easy to style, they don't need any effort, and I am one of those persons who does not know how to do hairstyles like braids or etc., or even I'm too lazy to do them. So I just need these headbands to style me up. So today I'm going to share different ways in which you can also style your headbands and they will look super cool. So let's start. So first of all you have to comb your hairs very well and then do a side partition like this I have done. Okay? And this hairstyle which I am telling you is one of the basic hairstyles. So keep some part, take out some part from this side as well as do same from this side. While doing this, remember that both the sides should be equal. Then use any of your headbands like this. I'm using this one with this and just put it like this. After that what you have to do is just hold your hairs in one hand and then roll them. Why I'm rolling them is, the reason is that while rolling they will get curled up and they will look good. So I will tell you what the final look is. So this is one of the final looks. See, these curls are looking so classy as well as good also. So this is the first look. So for second look, now what we are going to do is, now again we are going to keep some hair in front, but while keeping these hairs we have to keep in mind that these hairs should not be too long while keeping them. So you can see that I have formed back hairs. Now what I am going to do is do a high juda. Just roll them up. I have done this juda. Okay, now I am going to use this headband for this work. This headband, I love this headband very much personally because of the knot which it is having over here. So this is the final look. I hope you guys will like it because it is super easy, as well as in summers we just hate our hair when they just come over here and there is a lot of sweat on our body. So it will help us. In this same headband I'm going to do a side braid on my hair. Those 90s vibes we can say that I'm going to get in this hairstyle. Okay, so this side braid I'm going to do this side. So, your choice. If you want to make your braid till here you can, or if you want to take it more down you can. It depends on your taste. So I am taking it more down because I would love it when that all braid would have been done. Total hair I can do. So I am securing it with a rubber band here. So here I am done with the final look. So this is the final look. those 90s vibes in this braid, isn't it? So in this next hairstyle, what I'm going to do is this one pony behind, very low pony, okay? Then I'm going to secure it with a rubber band. Then after securing it with a rubber band, I'm going to do 2 partitions. Like this, you can see this kind of 2 partitions. I hope you can see and understand it. Now these 2 partitions, I'm going to do braids of these 2 partitions. I will show you. So I have started doing braids. If you know how to do French braids, then it's very good. You can try those braids here and do in this hairstyle. But as you know that I don't know how to do those braids, so I'm doing it in a simple way. You can also keep it simple if you don't know how to do. Okay, so these simple braids, again I'm going to do them very low. As much as I can. And the same I'm going to do this side also, and then I will show you the results. Now I'm going to secure it with the rubber band. So same I'm going to do with this side, and then I will show you. So I'm done with braid this side also, and seriously I'm feeling like that I'm going to school now. But yes, it looks very good and classy these days, these kind of braids. Especially girls are doing those French braids, and I love them. They are having French braids and then they are continuing them, but I don't know how to do them, so मैंने अपना काम चलाओ trick बना ली है. So those who don't know, you can try this one. It looks super cool as that one. So this is the final result. You people can see, and it's looking cute, isn't it? So